What's up guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install the latest version of Numpy library or package on the latest version of Python on a Windows operating system and import it to your Python programs. For this, you need to first install Python on your system. If not, go watch my video tutorial on how to download and install the latest version of Python on Windows and continue with this tutorial. Now, assuming that you have installed Python, let's directly dive into the installation of the library or package. So simply go to your taskbar and type in cmd to open command prompt. Here let's first check Python on our system. So type in python space -- version and hit enter. You can see that we have the latest version of Python installed on my system. Now let's check pip version. For any package or library installation, we need pip, which can be installed with the installation of Python. If you can't find it, you can watch my video tutorial on how to install pip. So let's check it. Here type in python space -m space pip space -- version and hit enter. You can see that I have the latest version of PIP. If the version of pip you have is not the latest version, you can update it here by typing in python.exe space -m space pip space install space -- upgrade space pip and hit enter. So here, since mine is already the latest version, it says requirement already satisfied. Alright, now let's install the library. So clear the terminal and here type in python space -m space pip space install space numpy and hit enter. This starts downloading and installing the library with all the necessary features. So wait for a couple of minutes until it finishes installing the library. Now the installation is successfully completed. So let's open IDLE and import the library. So here on the idle shell, type in import numpy as np and hit enter. You can see that the library is successfully imported. Now if you check the version of the library by typing in np.__version _ and hit enter, you can see that we have the latest version of the library here. In the same way, you can also open up command prompt and import the library and check its version on the terminal. So type in python and hit enter. Here type in import numpy as np and hit enter. In the same way, here type in np.__ version _ and hit enter. You can see that we have the latest version of the library here. Alright, so you are now all set to use Numpy on your Python programs. Thanks for watching and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorials.